LearningFinger.com. The topic for today is the layers of the atmosphere. Can you hear the pitter-patter of the rain? Yes, we are in the troposphere. Tropo means change, turn or rotation. Weather happens in the troposphere. Weather also changes every few hours. In this way, you can remember the layer and its main feature. Now let's go to the stratosphere. Look, an aeroplane flew past. They fly in the stratosphere. Strato means layers. It is called so because there are colder layers at the bottom and hotter layers at the top. You can also remember that the ozone layer is present here in this way. Let's learn about the mesosphere. Meso means in the middle. It is the third layer of the atmosphere, hence called so. M is for mesosphere and M is for meteors. Meteors burn in the mesosphere. It's very hot in here. We must have reached the thermosphere. Thermo means related to the heat. It is very hot in the thermosphere. Temperatures can range from 500 to 2000 degrees Celsius. A space shuttle just launched into space. We have reached the exosphere. Exo means external or from outside. Exosphere is the outermost layer of the atmosphere. The air is very thin here.